Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about Salesforce CPQ and how we can edit the fields that we see available here in the line editor within the quote. So to start, I'll go to the top right, click the gear, click Setup, navigate to Object Manager, and the object we're going to want to edit here is the quote line. Select it here, go to Field Sets, and then select the line editor. From here we're able to reorganize the fields that we have already available, as well as adding new ones. So we can go ahead here and add the list total here, and then potentially remove the additional discount if we want to. As well as let's add the start date and then the end date. And we can rearrange this however we want to, so let's put this at the beginning and then click Save. So now that we're back to our quote in the line editor, we can see that our changes that we just made are reflected. I can see the start and end date now. You can see that the product name and product code were switched, and our additional discount field was removed. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to leave a like as well as consider subscribing. Thank you.